To update the software of linear compressor, you will need a rewriter jig. All the software files should be available in the root directory of the SD card. First, check the connector number 202. If VCC is written, use the red connector. If first letter TX is written, use the white connector. Now in this PCB, as you can see, VCC is written, so we will use the red connector. After that, in the rewriter jig, switch number 1 and 4 should be in the off position and switch number 2 and 3 should be in the on position. After that, switch on the jig. This message will come. Press the button once. It will show you the current checksum of the PCB. So this is the current checksum. After the checksum is shown, press the button once. Then it will show you the model number of the linear compressor. So in this PCB, FMA 102 compressor is used. After the compressor model number is shown, press the button again once. Then it will update the software. So upgrade complete and checksum will be shown. After that, you can switch off the jig and remove the connector. Keep one thing in mind: when you are updating the software, the unit should be in off condition. There should be no power supply to the PCB. Thank you.